Welcome to Tapuae. Located at Logan Park, Dunedin in the Sargood Centre, we offer a range of services that can be tailored to activity and wellness goals. Here at Tapuae, we want to help you achieve your goals, no matter what they may be. Our gym is equipped with a range of weight training, cardio and other equipment. It doesn't matter whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, we'll have what you need. Take part in our group fitness sessions, including high intensity interval training, boxing, spin and much more. You can also get one-on-one help from one of our student trainers supervised by experienced lecturers or train at your own pace. We also offer therapeutic and sports massage, run and operated by our first and second year massage therapy students and supervised by our lecturers. Tapuae offers a safe and supportive space to work towards your goals, no matter your ability. We hope to see you soon.